internship.
Internship.
They'll be providing us 7,500 stipend. They'll be teaching the stuff like what the client had given. They'll be training us.
Okay. Okay, here, sorry to interrupt you. The training part will be taken care by Revature itself, not from the client.
No. Training part will be done with.
So who is Jashwant?
Yeah. Hi guys, this is Yashwant. I completed my undergrad in electronics, communication and engineering. Now, actually, I am working in Revature as associate software trainee.
Super. So, Jashwant, we'll jump to our main talk. So, we won't be wasting much of time. We'll jump to its Revature hiring procedure. So, you've been undergone this, Revature hiring procedure. So, how was your experience, Jashwant? So, how many rounds were there? Yeah, how many rounds were there? What kind of questions panelists asked you? How did you respond to them? What is the prerequisite preparation? Just give a brief talk on that. What do you?
Actually, I applied in LinkedIn.
Okay.
It's been after 1 month, I got an assessment link.
Okay.
In these assessments and all, there will be 5 sessions.
Okay.
One is problem solving.
Okay.
And technical elevation. Coding challenges. There will be one coding challenge on Java, Python. Okay. We can choose any language.
Okay.
And other is on SQL.
Okay.
And last, there will be some writing communication thing.
Okay.
From these first problem solving, they will ask all the data interpretation, aptitude, verbal, all sorts of things. And in technical elevation, they used to ask the basic knowledge, basic concepts of all programming languages.
Okay. So,
database program and some like collections, multi-threading questions, like sort of things. And in program, it will be level one base programming.
Okay.
SQL is of level 1 too.
Okay.
And we need to be some fond of these writing communication things and all. It will be in 3 questions. They will not give much time for it. It will take up to 15 minutes, but we need to write the total of 300 words.
Okay.
Not for each one. For single, we need to write 100 words.
Okay.
Yeah, it will take some time.
Yeah, 3 questions were there, and for each 100.
Yeah, for each 100.
So this was
the problem solving and all. It will be around 25 to 30 questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the hiring procedure. You mentioned 5 rounds will be there. First will be the app.
Not 5 rounds. Just it's like assessment. For assessment, there will be 5 sessions.
5 sessions. Okay. 5 sessions. Okay.
5 sessions. And the next round is technical round.
Okay.
The technical round is we can clear if we know the basics and all.
Okay.
We need to fond of all the basics. For me, it's like they asked me about typecasting, whoops.
Okay.
And what's encapsulation. He asked me to write a Pojo class for it.
Okay.
And he asked some basic questions. What all operators and all. Okay. Before this technical round, the HR used to call us and intimate us.
Okay.
When this will be. Okay. This hiring process and all took me around 4 days itself.
4 days. Okay.
It took me 4 days. Yeah. And last HR, they will ask us about what is your background.
Okay.
Family background. And they will explain the hiring process of it, how the client company takes us.
Okay.
And they mentioned about this stipend 7,500 thing.
Okay. So now what I will be doing is we'll just try to focus one by one. So you mentioned that first round, second round, third round, 3 rounds will be there.
Yeah, 3 rounds will be there.
First round is all about the assessment, which consists of 5 methods. And second round is about technical. Third is about HR. Okay. So let's put a spotlight on its first round, assessment. So first round you mentioned MCQs were there. Aptitude will be there in the section 1.
Yeah.
Section 2 is all about the coding part, if I'm not wrong.
Coding part. Yeah, there will be code snippet too.
Code snippet. Okay. So output snippet will be given. We need to explain.
Yeah, snippet will be given. We need to explain.
Okay. So third section.
Third round third session is coding challenge. They'll be asking some basic challenge like reverse string.
Okay.
But they will not give like that. We need to solve it.
Until like, see, just give some example, just from the audience to get the idea. In the third section, like what kind of questions were there? Is it related to arrays, strings, or like what kind of questions?
Yeah, is it related to arrays and strings itself?
Okay.
We don't know what they will do.
Okay. So
they mentioned that there will be like level 1 and level 2 questions too. But I got level 1 question.
Okay. So individual with the basic understanding of
basic understanding, they can solve it.
Okay, it won't be like 4 or 5 level of difficulty like DSA, binary search. Like
no, they will not ask like DSA and binary search.
Okay, so third round all about the coding part, and fourth section.
Fourth round will be like database question.
DB.
One database question. SQL, yeah.
Okay. So fourth section is all about SQL. Write the query.
SQL, fourth section is SQL. Write the query, and only one question will be there.
Okay. Fifth
round,
communication.
Written communication.
Like how was it? Just like fill-ups will be there. We need to fill the articles, kind of thing.
Yeah, we need to fill the article. They'll be giving like some mail kind of stuff.
Okay.
If you wanna keep a leave, so how you will write a mail to the manager?
Okay.
Kind of sort of thing.
Okay, writing a what we say letter to a manager. I mean,
writing a letter to a manager.
Okay, any kind of questions like a passage will be given and we need to search the answer from that passage, kind of.
Yeah. It will be in problem solving itself. The first session.
Okay.
All data interpretation, verbal, all kind of stuff will come in problem solving itself.
Okay, so you mentioned about data interpretation, like pie chart will be given and we need to analyze that one and we
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Anything else like
that's it.
Anything like audio will be listening and we need to audio will be hearing, we need to listen and answer. And topic will be given, we need to write about that topic in 200 words, kind of thing. Anything?
Yeah, I said no. Written communication.
All right.
So, there will be 3 questions. I told you about one question itself.
Okay. So this all assessment, like what was the total time, Jashwant?
It's around 90 minutes.
90 minutes, okay. Camera was on.
Yeah, for each section there will be time limit.
Or timer will
for
be
each
there.
Section. I don't know the exact time limit of each section. Yeah, there will be camera and the AI will be protracted directly.
Okay. So it's like, how was the section part, Jashwant? Like once we're done with section 1, then only we'll be able to go to section 2. Or like, how was it?
Once we're done with the section 1, we need to go to the other section. And in each between, we can't skip the questions too.
Okay.
If we skip, the question will be skipped. We can't go back.
Okay, so you're unidirectional then?
Yeah, unidirectional.
Sure then. So what else you get? What was the platform name, if you remember?
No, I don't know the platform.
No worries at all. So
yeah,
how was the assessment took, Jashwant? You need to go to the center or is it remote assessment?
It's online itself. It's remote itself.
Okay, all right. So what else you are missing, Jashwant? Okay, you mentioned sorry to interrupt you. In the technical round, you mentioned coding questions were there. So we'll be giving options like write in any programming language like Python, Java, C++.
Yeah, it will be given like write in any programming language. But whatever the client is asking, they will give. What if client is asking Java, they will train you in Java itself.
Okay.
But if the person fond of Python, he can't shift to other one.
Okay, understood. But correcting my statement, like in the coding part, we have option to choose any programming language.
Yeah, we have option to choose any programming language.
So I guess we're done with assessment thing. So how much time it took to get the result, Jashwant?
It took me 1 day itself.
1 day.
I had written the test on Saturday, but I got HR call on Monday for TR technical.
So let's focus on the technical part. So yes, how was your technical round interview experience?
My technical one is so good. He asked me first. I introduced him.
Okay.
Like he asked me what are you doing and what kind of projects did you do in your academic, like undergrad. and he asked me some basic questions of Java.
Java. Okay. So Java, anything like oops, inheritance, polymorphism?
As I mentioned to you earlier, he asked me first about typecasting.
Typecasting. Okay.
I need to show him how this typecasting works.
Okay.
And what are constructors,
Okay.
what is default constructor, and how it works, and what is encapsulation, how this encapsulation works, and he told me to write a Pojo class.
For sure. Okay. So
Yeah.
it was online or is it offline? How was the interview took?
Yeah, it's all online itself.
So they mentioned to share the screen and write
share the screen and write the codes in online JDB.
Okay, so did they have their own portal or is it random open source ID? How was it?
It's random open source one.
Okay. So they asked about your intro and whatever you mentioned in the CV they mentioned, and they asked about your academic project and it's about Java and
Java, yeah.
So anything like apart from this, anything like situation based questions?
No, there is no situation based questions. But it was training. No, they are just focusing on basics itself.
Okay. So that's it. Only these two they have asked.
Yeah, that's it in technical. Yeah.
So how long it took? This one, like what was the time period of this year?
It's around 30 minutes actually.
Chalo then. So I guess we covered all about technical round.
Yeah.
So what was the time taken to get here?
Come again?
Like when did you get your result? Technical round results.
Yeah. Next day itself. I got it on next day itself.
Chalo. So I just wanted to ask this question in the initial, like what is the eligibility criteria for this Revature drive?
Yeah. Actually, anyone can apply, but except mechanical and civil people.
Okay.
BE, BTech, and MTech, anyone can apply.
Okay.
And it's batches like 2023 and 2024 are eligible.
Eligible.
The percentage is of 75%. The cutoff is of 75%.
All in 10th, 12th, and CGPA.
Yeah, all 10th, 12th.
Okay, what was the CGPA eligibility?
7.5.
With no active backlogs.
No active backlogs.
So this was all about technical round. Next, we will focus on HR round. So yes, how was your final round interview?
My HR she is very sweet. She asked me about only family background, and she explained. After asking family background, she told me to introduce yourself.
Okay.
And asking me about what is your strength.
Okay.
What is your weakness? That's it. She completed, and she then.
Just sorry to trouble you. So how did you respond to that question, Jashwant? What is your strength? What is your weakness? How did you respond? Just curious to know.
Yeah, actually, my strengths are I am a keen learner. Yeah. I used to learn new topics. So I explained that. And my weakness is I used to focus on one topic itself.
Okay.
When I used to learn, I used to focus on one topic. So I told that.
So that's it, No situation based question. What you see after 5 years? What do you know about the company? Nothing.
No. Okay. Actually, the Revature is talent hiring company. They used to hire the talent and they deploy to other companies.
Okay, so basically it's kind of a mediator. So it will
mediator.
It will interview the candidates and it will allocate those candidates to a specific organization.
Yeah, specific company.
So, and that's it, right? Any allocation discussion happened? Anything in the HR?
No. They mentioned me that you need to come to Chennai itself. There is no option to relocate.
Okay.
After the client interview, you might have a chance to relocate. They told me like that.
So it's totally on-site, work from office.
Yeah, it's totally on-site itself. And before coming to Chennai, they will provide some names of PGs too.
Recommendation. Okay.
Yeah, for accommodation, they will recommend some PGs too.
Okay. So what about this? They will provide reimbursement facility. Like how is it basically? Okay, let us assume that I am from Bangalore. I went to Chennai.
Yeah.
And as you mentioned, they had given some list of PGs, and
Yeah.
for 2 weeks, for 1 month, I have paid this PG. So will they reimbursement for the first 15 days?
No. Actually, they are randomly taking from the Google and they are giving to us.
Okay.
They are not tied up with the PGs. We need to
Okay.
go and check and we need to talk to them directly.
It's just for reference, like PG is nearer
Yeah,
to the
just for
office,
reference
kind of.
itself.
Any camp facilities available, Jashwant?
No option.
So what else we can add? Are we missing anything? You want to mention anything?
No. My training is going on now, so I can't tell everything.
Okay.
After my training, I can tell you the experience of total experience.
So we done about it. Hiring procedure, it focus on your role and responsibilities, package, internship, stipend, stuff and all. So what was the role you got hired, Jashwant? Any talk?
My role is like associate software engineer training. They mentioned in my offer letter.
Mhm.
Actually, it's like an internship.
Internship.
They'll be providing us 7,500 stipend. They'll be teaching the stuff like what the client had given. They will be training us.
Okay. Okay, here, sorry to interrupt you. The training part will be taken care by Revature itself, not from the client.
No. Training part will be done with Revature itself, but the curriculum and all given by the client company.
That's what. Client will be given, I need a candidate skill to take care about this upskilling process. So Revature will be giving training to you, correct?
Yeah.
So what is, don't mention the exact number, mention the range of your CTC. Just one.
Yeah, okay. It's around 3.25 to 3.5.
Right. So is there any...
There is a service agreement of 1 year.
1 year, huh? So let us assume that unfortunately or fortunately, I broke this this one, a bond.
Yeah.
So any penalty, anything like that?
I need to pay 1 lakh to them.
All right. So this is about the bond, CTC, and the stipend. Work from, you mentioned it's work from office. What else we can add? What else we can add? Just one.
That's it, actually.
Should we join Revature? What is your genuine opinion on that to our audience?
My genuine opinion is who are wasting time and all info, they need to join. They need to try to get into this Revature.
Okay.
Because they are giving us stipend and they are training us and they are deploying to other companies.
Okay. So I guess like instead of mentioning wasting the people who are seeing for the opportunities,
they can grab this opportunity.
All right. So yeah, guys, since Jashwant is undergoing internship, as of now, there is no much update. So once he is done with internship, and if there is any update, definitely we're gonna do part 2 of this video. And I'll be attaching the Jashwant's LinkedIn profile in the description. Just go and have a look into that. And if you want to connect with him, just feel free to ping him. And we also have a Telegram community group. Link is given in the description. And finally, guys, we have a YouTube channel. If not a subscribe, hit the bell icon. And Jashwant, thanks once again for joining us today.
Yeah. Thank you, Akshay.
And yeah, guys, this is about his talk. See you in the next video. Take care.